Hello, dear friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой YouTube канал Russian for Everybody. Today I'm going to explain you three Russian verbs: помнить, запомнить, and вспоминать. Because these verbs are quite difficult because all of them means to remember. So let's find out the difference between these three verbs. And the first verb that of course everybody knows is помнить. Помнить. Помнить means to remember and to remember all the time. So it means that помнить we use when we want to store some information in your memory. At the moment or always. So, what's interesting about this verb? Помнить, it's always used like imperfect verb or NSV, несовершенный вид. It doesn't have a perfect form. So, it means that this verb doesn't have a perfective pair verb. So, this verb always means a process. So, помнить. How can we use it? We can use it in a complex sentence, like извини, я не помню, как тебя зовут. То есть, извини, я не помню, как тебя зовут. Sorry, I don't remember your name. Also, we can use помнить with direct object. So, it will be accusative case. So, я помню тебя. I remember you. It's the last example here. And we can use помнить with the preposition or, which means about, plus prepositional case. Like, я ничего не помню о тебе. I don't remember anything about you. So, three possible functions in a sentence. So, this verb belongs to the second conjugation, группа 2. So, it's absolutely a regular verb. So, how we change this verb in the present tense? Я помню, ты помнишь, он, она помнит, мы помним, вы помните, и они помнят. Past tense will be absolutely okay, like он помнил, она помнила, и они помнили. So you need to remember that помнить means to store all kind of information in your memory always or at the current moment. Okay, let's discuss the second verb. Запоминать, запомнить. And it's more interesting for you because here we have two forms. So запоминать or запомнить means to upload the information to your hard drive and fix it there. So it's kind of to memorize something. So when you learn new words in Russian language, for example, вы запоминаете их. Вы запоминаете новые слова. So, запоминать again means to upload the information to your brain, to your hard drive, and fix it there. For always or for a short period of time. Okay, so here we have two verbs, two forms, запоминать and запомнить. Запоминать, this verb is imperfective pair, несовершенный вид. So, запоминать is a process, action, or the action which is repeated. Like, я плохо запоминаю новые слова. I memorize or learn new words badly. Я плохо запоминаю новые слова. And запоминать, it's the first conjugation, группа 1. So we change it like работать, like я запоминаю, ты запоминаешь, он, она запоминает, мы запоминаем, вы запоминаете, Они запоминают. And запомнить. This is a perfective pair of verb which we use if the action is completed. So we have the certain definite result. Or if the action took place one time. So the second example will be again the perfective pair, like запомни, что надо ему позвонить. Remember that you need to call him. Запомни, что надо ему позвонить. And запомнить it's the second conjugation. So we change it like помнить. So я запомню, ты запомнишь, он, она запомнит. Мы запомним, вы запомните, и они запомнят. I hope that вы запомните этот урок. Я надеюсь, I hope, что вы запомните этот урок. So, this verb, запоминать and запомнить, we can use with the accusative case, with the object, like я плохо запоминаю новые слова. Новые слова, it's accusative case. Or we can use this verb with a complex sentence, in a complex sentence, like запомни, что надо ему позвонить. Что надо ему позвонить, we can see here the second clause. That's why it's a complex sentence. Okay, so fix it. That запоминать is the action when you upload new information to your brain. Okay, and the third verb is вспоминать, вспомнить. Вспоминать, this verb is imperfective, and вспомнить means perfective. Вспоминать and вспомнить means to find the information in your memory. To find. So, you understand that you previously learned it and you need to find it in your head. Дай мне вспомнить. Как это по-русски? Я учил. Дай мне вспомнить. So, вспомнить and вспоминать we use in a complex sentence like я не могу вспомнить, как его зовут. So, I can't recall what his name is. We can use it with the accusative case, like я не могу вспомнить имя его сына. I can't recall his son's name. And of course, we can use this verb with the preposition or, which means about, plus prepositional case, like я не могу вспомнить о времени нашей встречи. I can't recall the time of our meeting. So, and one more time, вспоминать. This verb is imperfective. We use it when we talk about the process of action, or when the action is repeated many times, and this verb belongs to the first conjugation. Я вспоминаю, ты вспоминаешь, он, она вспоминает, мы вспоминаем, вы вспоминаете, они вспоминают. And вспомнить belongs to the second conjugation. This verb is a perfective one. And we use it when the action is completed, so we have the result, or the action took place one time. So, and this verb is the second conjugation. Я вспомню, ты вспомнишь, он, она вспомнит, мы вспомним, вы вспомните, и они вспомнят. Okay, so one more time. So, помнить. We use this verb when we need to remember something all the time, always. Запоминать, запомнить. We use when we want to upload some information to your hard drive and to fix it there. And вспомнить. We use it when we want to extract the information from your brains, when we want to find it there. Okay, hope that this information was useful for you. If you have any questions, please don't feel shy and feel free to answer them in comments. I, of course, will answer you. And please put a like to my lesson. And if you want to thank me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box. Большое вам спасибо. See you next time. До встречи и пока-пока.